Hello, we're nearly finished reviewing all the tools that can be managed from the administration area. In this video, I will show you how to create surveys and how to manage the results they provide. The surveys appear to the users of your organization in the Zapiens app and allows you to gather information on any topic you raise. You can create surveys with open-ended questions where users can write a response, or questions with closed-ended answers. To access this tool from anywhere in the administration area, you must click on the sixth option in the side menu. Once you have loaded the page, you will be able to see all the surveys that have been carried out in your organization to date. You will be shown the name of the survey, the start and end dates, and the status. If published, users will see the survey on the smartphone. In the dots on the end of the row, you can edit the survey, view the results, or delete it. By selecting results, you will be shown a screen that will display all the results obtained in that survey. First, it shows you the days it was active, the number of users invited, and the number and percentage of participants. Then, you will see all the answers given by the users to the different questions. You can filter them by segments created in your organization. You can download the results as a spreadsheet file. In this file, you will be able to see each user's answer and which segments they belong to. To create a survey, you must return to the main survey page. There, you will find the button to create one. The process is similar to create a training. You must give it a title, start and end dates, and you can add an image and description. You can also include the thank you message that will be displayed when a person has completed the survey. Before you move on to the next phase, you have two options that you can select or not. Published causes the survey to be sent directly to users, and Default Survey causes the survey to appear by default to self-registered users. Then it's your turn to create the questions. Unlike trainings, survey questions are done on the spot. There are two types of questions, open-ended and closed-ended. And finally, you must select the users who will participate in the survey. As always, you will be able to filter by segments to ask questions to a specific department or group of users. And your survey is ready. With them, you will receive feedback from the members of your organization that will serve to know the opinions of your colleagues. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the following video.